Good evening, all of you, my dear students. As you know that in our last class we studied about interjection. In that class we studied about the introduction of interjection. Then afterward we studied about the explanation of interjection with the help of example. Now today we will study types of interjection. Now see students, what should be given there in types of interjection. Now see what should be given there. Interjection is divided into the following types on the basis of ways to express interjection in the sentence, which means what should be given there. Interjection is divided into the following types, means interjection is divided into different types on the basis of its pattern to express interjection. By the help of that pattern it express interjection, where it express interjection in the sentence. By the help of that pattern it express interjection in the sentence, such as greeting, joy, surprise, approval, sorrow, attention and calling. These are the types of ways to express interjection. So I think that all of you understand this introduction of types of interjection. Now afterward we will study first type of interjection, which is interjection for greeting. Greeting means what? Symbolize. So see what should be given there. Interjection for greeting, this is first type. Now see what should be given there in this interjection of greeting. This type of interjection is used in the sentence to indicate the emotion of warmth, which means warmth to the person meeting with such as hey, hello, hi, etc. Now see what is the meaning of this interjection for greeting. This type of interjection is used, we can use this type of interjection in the sentence to indicate the emotion of warmth, which means those words which belong to interjection for greeting, those words are used in the sentence to indicate the emotion of warmth. Warmth means excitement, enthusiasm. So those words which are used in interjection for greetings, those words are help to indicate the emotion of excitement, to help in the emotion of excitement, or we can say emotion of warmth. To what purpose? To indicate that thing. For that purpose those words are used. To the person meeting, in which type of condition that type of words are used? When one person meet to another person, at that time such type of words are used which belongs to interjection for greeting, such as hey, hello, hi, etc. These are those words which are used when one person meet to another person, and by the help of these words, that one person indicate another person and also indicate the emotion of warmth to that person. So I think that all of you understand the explanation of interjection for greeting. Now see an example. Hey is a word which belongs to interjection for greeting. Then afterward we will use exclamatory sign. Hey, nice to see you here in the party. In this example, hey exclamatory mark, this is such type of words which belong to interjection for greeting. In that sentence, one person tell another person that nice to see you here in the party. Means that person which tell to another person, hey, that person feel happy to see that another person, so that's why he is telling, hey exclamatory mark or interjection mark, nice to see you here in the party. I think that all of you understand the first example in an easily way. Now see second example. Hello interjection mark or exclamatory mark, I am Pooja. Here one person indicate or one person want to show another person about his identity or about her identity. Here one person want to show her identity to another person, so that's why in this example that particular word hello which belongs to interjection for greeting is used. So I think that all of you understand these two both example in an easily way with the help of an explanation of interjection for greeting. Now we will see next type, which is interjections for joy. Now see, in this we use such type of words which belongs, or we can say in this interjection for joy we will use such type of words, or those words are belongs in that category which show happiness, joy. Now see what should be given in this second type, interjection for joy. This type of interjection is used in the sentence to indicate immediate joy and happiness on any happy occasion that occurred, which means this type of interjection is used, interjection for joy. In this, what should be given there? This type of interjection is used, means those words which belongs to interjection for joy, those words are used in the sentence to indicate sudden joy and happiness on any happy occasions that occurred. I think that all of you understand the explanation of that particular interjection for joy. Now see afterwards, such as hooray, wow, hooray. Again see, such as hurrah, wow, hooray, etc. These are such type of words which belong to interjection for joy, and these are those words which indicate immediate joy and happiness on any happy occasion that occurred. So I think that all of you understand the explanation of interjection for joy in an easily way. Now see afterward an example of interjection for joy. Now see first example, wow, interjection mark, or we can say exclamatory mark, you are looking gorgeous. Gorgeous means smart, beautiful, whatever it is, full stop. So in this, one person tell another person about his beauty or about his smart lookingness, that wow, exclamatory mark or interjection mark, you are looking gorgeous. So here wow, interjection mark or exclamatory mark, that word belongs to interjection for joy. Now see second example, hooray, as interjection mark or exclamatory mark, we suddenly won this football match. In this, a group of person talk to each other about their football match that they won by the help of using that particular word hooray, and that word show here their happiness or their joyfulness, we can say in that way also. So in this example, hooray interjection mark is that word which belongs to interjection for joy. I think that all of you understand the explanation of interjection for joy, and afterward example of interjection for joy in an easily way. So my dear students, first of all read it, then afterward write it, then afterward learn it. Take care, have a nice day.